Hi, I'm Liyanna Shah Binti from class NBT M4A. Will be discussed on topic digital transformation of attendance, which is UATM's digital attendance system that used by students on UFuture system. In today's fast-paced academic environment, accurate and efficient attendance tracking has become more important than ever. At University Technology Mara, UiTM, the shift towards digital transformation has touched many aspects of campus life, including how attendance is recorded. Traditionally, attendance was taken manually or through Google Forms, which often led to issues such as human error, proxy attendance, and time inefficiency. To address these problems, UiTM has introduced various forms of digital attendance systems, including QR code scanning. While this is a significant improvement, there is still room for further innovation and optimization. In this presentation, our team will explore the current digital attendance system at UiTM and evaluate it using the HINGE framework, which stands for Horizon Scanning, Internal Audit, New Model Generation, and Gap Analysis. We aim to assess the system's strengths and weaknesses and propose practical recommendations that align with UiTM's digital transformation goals. To guide our evaluation, we will use the HINGE framework, a strategic tool for managing digital transformation. HINGE stands for Horizon Scanning, where we explore external trends and justify why a process is selected. Second is Internal Audit, where we assess the current setup and stakeholders involved. The third is New Model Generation, where we propose innovative changes or digital upgrades. The fourth is Gap Analysis, which compares the current and future states to identify gaps in people, data, and systems. This structured approach allows us to evaluate UiTM's digital attendance system in a holistic and practical way. Around the world, universities are rapidly adopting a technology to streamline attendance, whether through QR codes, facial recognition, or geolocation. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated this transformation, emphasizing the need for contactless and reliable systems. At UiTM, the digital attendance system is particularly relevant because it helps reduce manual errors, improve efficiency, and encourage student accountability. This is why we chose to focus on this system. It is widely used, has visible challenges, and holds strong potential for improvement. Currently, UiTM employs a mix of attendance methods. In many faculties, students scan a QR code displayed by the lecturer, while others still rely on manual tracking or Google Forms. The main stakeholders include students, lecturers, and the university's IT support team. The current system is convenient and quick for students, but there are some key issues. For example, poor internet connectivity can disrupt the process, and in some cases, QR codes are shared among students, allowing fast check-ins. These internal challenges highlight the need for a more secure and consistent digital solution. To improve the current system, we propose several upgrades. First, implementing facial recognition or biometric login could prevent proxy attendance. Second, using geofencing technology would ensure that students can only check in where they are physically near the classroom. We also recommend integrating attendance tracking into UiTM's official mobile app or island system to centralize access and data. Finally, adding real-time analytics for lecturers could make attendance data more useful for academic planning. These changes would enhance accuracy, security, and user experience across the board. When comparing UiTM's current digital attendance system to its potential, several gaps emerge. At present, tools are fragmented. Different faculties use different platforms, and there's little integration with academic systems. In the future, UiTM could benefit from unified, secure, and real-time system that supports mobile access and data analytics. However, to reach this goal, challenges must be addressed, such as ensuring Wi-Fi coverage, improving digital literacy among staff, and providing students with the necessary devices. Ultimately, the entire academic community would benefit from this transformation, including students, lecturers, and administrative staff. Implementing an advanced digital attendance system at UiTM would bring a number of clear benefits. First, it will improve accuracy and reliability, reducing human error and eliminating proxy attendance. Second, it would streamline the administrative workload, saving valuable time for lecturers and staff who currently handle manual attendance tracking. Third, the system would increase transparency and trust in academic records, allowing both students and faculty to easily monitor attendance. Finally, having access to real-time data would enable the university to make better informed decisions about student engagement, early interventions, and academic support. While the benefits are significant, there are also challenges that must be considered. One major concern is data privacy, especially if biometric or location data is used. The university must ensure strict compliance with privacy policies. Cost is another factor. Implementing new hardware and upgrading infrastructure such as campus-wide Wi-Fi can be expensive. There may be also be resistance to change, especially from staff who are used to traditional methods. Proper training and support will be essential. Lastly, some students may face accessibility issues if they lack smartphones or experience technical difficulties. UiTM must ensure inclusivity in its digital transformation efforts. In conclusion, UiTM's digital attendance system is a promising example of how technology can improve academic processes. Through the Hinge framework, we have identified both the strengths and limitations of the current setup. By adopting enhanced technologies like facial recognition, geofencing, and system integration, UiTM has the opportunity to build a more secure, efficient, and inclusive system. Digital transformation is not just about adapting new tools, it's about creating meaningful, long-term improvements in the way we teach, learn, and manage education. With the right investments and strategy, UiTM can continue to lead as a smart, future-ready university.